Thank you for tuning in to tune up your knowledge on the Genie product. In this video, we'll be discussing programming limits on the slide and swing gate operators. Start by pressing the Cal Run key. This puts us in calibration mode. Using the up key, navigate to menu option 3. When the LCD screen says open limit, press set clear. Then press and hold the open button until the gate reaches the open limit. Once the gate is at the open limit, press the set clear key to set it. Press the Cal Run key to go back to the menu options. Using the up key, navigate to option 4, the close limit. Press set clear. Now hold the close key until the gate is in the closed position. Press set clear to save it. Now that your limits are set, press the Cal Run key once to return to the menu options, twice to menu 25, and the third time to exit to run mode. Your limits are now programmed.